What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got another riding review for you today. I'm going to a bar, a Mexican bar and taco joint called SUPERBUENO. It's on 1st and 1st, the coveted vortex of the universe, if you're familiar with Seinfeld references. Kramer gets lost downtown, calls up Jerry, all confused and panicked, and says he's at 1st and 1st, and he's confused. How does 1st cross with 1st? It's the vortex of the universe.
Okay, I'm on 1st and 1st. How can the same street intersect with itself? It must be at the nexus of the universe.
All right, so I'm on Houston, and this place, as I was saying before, is on 1st and 1st. So it's coming up. It'll be right on the right, across the street, on the corner. It used to be called Boilermaker. Boilermaker had a pretty decent burger there. And I guess Boilermaker closed down at some point recently, and SUPERBUENO opened up in its place. Should be good. No line at Katz's Deli. Now's the time to do it. All right, 1st and 1st, here we are. I'm gonna just find a spot to lock this up, and I'll see you on the inside.
Ice cream cones. When am I going to do this? Who's going to do it? I still have to.
Next time, all the time.
I need a little bit of rest. Especially because, like,
Interesting.
I feel like the general reaches for
He was taking pictures at it.
Cheers.
That's really good.
It is.
I will see you how one gets there.
All right, SUPERBUENO. Man, great cocktails. We did, my wife had like a sour, one of the, I forget what kind of sour, but corn sour. Just really unique. And then I had a mushroom margarita. Absolutely delicious. These guys are doing great things with cocktails, really unique stuff. The mushroom margarita had like mezcal and wheat lacoche in it. Wheat lacoche is a fungus that grows on corn, if you're not familiar with it. And in Mexican cuisine, it's very sought after, really good stuff. We had a couple of tacos as well. We had two kinds of tacos. We had an al pastor pork taco, which came with a little pineapple on skewers. That was delicious, really nice. That was my wife's favorite. My favorite was the crispy pork belly taco. Really good stuff, nicely made. And then we also did some nachos. The nachos were kind of like a vegetarian option, but they were still good. They had mushrooms and peppers on them. And the mushrooms were cooked up in a style like you might get with beef in a taco. Like they were seasoned the same way they season like beef for tacos. Really good stuff. Would definitely go back, try more cocktails, try more food items. Make sure you jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review. All the pictures, the full write-up, all the details. And as usual, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, family, and tell your fucking grandma.